Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add videos on your website in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add videos on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in the Hostinger website builder, and to add videos, it's simple. Before that, let's delete this element to have empty space. The first way to add videos on your website in Hostinger website builder is by adding a video element. So click on this plus icon, then look for this video element, drag and drop it like that, and here just click on edit video. And here fill in your video link. It can be from YouTube, from Vimeo. I'm not sure for the other video hosting platforms, but I'm sure that YouTube and Vimeo videos links are working. This is my YouTube link, paste, and just like that, your YouTube link will be your video will be added or used here. Here you can autoplay it or enable autoplay in it. Same thing for the loop, you can play in it in a loop, and here you can show or hide the video controls of your Vimeo video if you're being Vimeo user. From the animation tab, you can select the animation that viewers or that your video uses. Here this is a scale animation, this is the slide, and this is the fade. And after adding your videos, don't forget to update your website to publish this change. Now let's see the second way that you can add videos on your website in Hostinger website builder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now let's see the second way that you can add videos on your website in Hostinger website builder. Is by creating a video specific section. To do that, just hover between two sections and you will see this add section button. Click on it. Now scroll down to video. This is it. Here select the video section template that you want. I will go with this one. After clicking on it, it will be automatically added to your website. Here you can edit your text. You can select the paragraph or the text size from here. You can also edit each video of these like that. Same thing as we've just seen before. Here fill in your Vimeo or YouTube link. After that, you can adjust this section height like that. You can duplicate these videos like that and place them where you want them to be. Just like that, and always don't forget to update your website. And this is how to add videos on your website in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.